Kamoer has recently launched the new VIKIPAL 50 7-closed-loop stepper motor, which features a step-based closed-loop control system. This system enables the integration of high-performance digital motor drives, effectively addressing typical issues associated with traditional motors, such as noticeable jitters, excessive noise, insufficient torque, and high power consumption. As a result, this advancement significantly enhances peristaltic pump's overall performance and stability. Compared with the traditional open-loop control system, the 57 closed-loop motor has obvious advantages. 1. Small size. We integrate the drive module at the rear end of the motor, which reduces the occupied space and also increases the flexibility of operation. Tube quiet operation. In the noise standards test, the 57 closed-loop motor can effectively reduce 5 to 7 decibels, and the resonance point is reduced by about 20 decibels, which can create a quieter working environment for users. 3. High torque output. The 57 closed-loop motor can increase the speed from the conventional 400 to 600 RPM, achieving high torque output, solving the motor stalling issue under high load conditions. For low temperature rise, low power consumption, the 57 closed-loop motor is based on power self-regulation technology. At 350 RPM, the temperature rise is less than 25 C and the power is less than 15 West, which greatly extends the service life of the motor and the product. 5. A stall alarm. This motor has added a stall alarm feature that allows real-time monitoring of the motor's operating status. This ensures the safety of both equipment and personnel. Currently, it is compatible with 3 Kamoer pump heads, and there are plans to adapt it for more core peristaltic pump products.